Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
I gotta start branding my name. I gotta do better and move on to bigger things. I listened to my mama and I stayed up out them streets. I opened up my mind so I can see all of my dreams. I put so much work in, I can spell team with a 9. They thought I was a killer when I believed that I could fly. Between me and you, there's a difference in you and I. Some things you love the most be the thing that just have to die. She thought I was just a plain Jane. Driving all these cars, you know that I be switching lanes. I be moving fast, I'm trying to get up off my feet.
Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV and with the police beep in the background, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, as y'all can see, it's another POV in traffic, man. Something slight with the sunset, as y'all can see over there, man. Sunset trying to go down, man. This video is off the dome, as usual. You know what I'm saying? I'm in manual mode and my custom mode, but today, custom mode is on sport. So, you know what I'm saying? We're technically in sport mode, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, Cari crew, we in sport mode with it, in full manual mode, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta shift the car myself. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? But we just finna really just drive, man. Just finna quick little drive. This video not gonna be long at all, by the way. Like, this video may be like 5 minutes, bro. But I wanna tap in with y'all, boy, man. Y'all know I'm trying to stay consistent, man. And take every opportunity I can. Anytime I get in the car, I just went to go to the gas station right quick just to grab something. I was like, you know what? While I'm out, let me get a little vid, man. Y'all a few little pulls. I ain't gonna lie, it look kind of good when it's dark like that. Okay, let's get it. I'm trying to fix the lighting, bro. That's a little too bright. Yes, up. Y'all hear that mud, man? Bro, that junk is crazy. Bro, these cars going up a hill, the torque is insane. Like, that would a lot of y'all muscle cars be missing, man. Is that torque. Y'all be having horsepower, but y'all ain't got no pulling power, y'all ain't got no torque, nigga. Y'all can't never get out that hole quick enough, man. Y'all can't get out that hole quick enough, man. You need that torque too now. You can have horsepower all day. You can have 800 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. But you ain't going nowhere. You gonna be looking just like this. Like this. This how your torque gonna be. Until you get to like 5,000 RPM. And we'll be long gone by then. Long gone. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see what we got going. We ain't got no gas, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Y'all see what we got going, man. Yes, sir. I know y'all love them back road action, man. Back road action. Let me get another one. Bro, that torque is crazy, bro. You don't even gotta like match the gas for real. Crazy, man. Look at the country, man. It smell like manure and grass. No, it don't smell like manure, but it smell like dirt though, for sure. Get y'all a little 40 roll, man. Get y'all a little 40 roll right quick. Hold on. Get y'all a little 40 roll and fully manual. I ain't gonna floor it though. Boy, when you shift that mud right at 6, and that's not even floored. I can just imagine if I floor it and do it at 6, bro. It's gonna be ridiculous, dude. And that's all from Olivia, man, with that torque. When the camera kind of move a little bit, that's not me. I promise you it ain't me. If anything, I be trying to hold my hand sturdy, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have control over the V, man. Gotta have control over the V, man. I gotta turn around somewhere. Should've turned that gas down. Yeah, y'all see we on the countryside with it. Oh, I'm trying to look at the camera. My fault. We on the countryside with it, man. That damn shit is so stupid. That damn shit is stupid. I gotta find someone to turn around for real. Y'all hear that though? Like, that echo is crazy. Listen. That's crazy, car crew. This cool air feel amazing. Boy, that look like 12. Boy, that look like 12. I'm finna turn in right here anyway. Boy, y'all look at this car here, bro. That bitch look just like 12. It's a regular degular. Y'all gotta, man, they need to disband those, bro. You ain't 12, you don't need to have one. Simple. If you ain't 12, you don't need to have one, folks. No cap. That right there is irritating. Why y'all like that little view right there, you know what I'm saying? Matter if I had a camera just to hold it like that, y'all can see your boy really get wicked. Look at all that traffic, man. Which way I want to go? Which way I want to go? Do I want to go back where I came from? Or should I make it easier on myself? I'm gonna make it easier on myself. Turn me up, Cari crew. In Brimbos we trust. Oh yeah, man. I ain't been talking that much. I'm just giving y'all this real deal holy feel, man. Make sure you hit that like button or hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, man. Get your boy to 10K. Man, we're trying to get 10K by April. You know what I'm saying? 10K by April. But before April, you feel me? But I'm getting it by April at the latest. But we're going to get that mug in March. You know what I'm talking about? We're finna hit 9K this month before the end of February. We're going into March with 9K, over 9K, man. We're going to achieve 10K in March, bro. 31 days, man. We got it. 31 days, man, we got it, car crew, man. It's time to elevate, go crazy. We're going crazy, man. Like I said, bro, manifest season, man. Manifest season, but I'll see, man, you know what I'm saying? Light little POV today, man. Slight POV. You know what I'm saying? Just tapping in with y'all, boy. Then y'all hear Olivia scream. Dirt bike. He looked back like, boy, what the fuck was that? Yeah. Yeah, man, I got that fake 12. That fake 12 right here. That be a little just like 12. At least had an ST Explorer. You gonna have an Explorer now, so we can know the difference. But yeah, man. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick little video. I'm gonna draw like a manual. I did it too fast that time. I can't tell me how some of y'all manual nigga be, man. Y'all be so, I try to be so smooth with it, man. Like y'all butter or something, man. Drive that car, man. Hopefully that wind ain't too bad, man. Hopefully that wind ain't too bad. The manual boy, we going crazy. Salute to y'all boy though, you know what I'm saying? I got y'all cars come with no rev limiter, you know what I'm saying? That's what we all automatics want, without the tune, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, they be, oh, somebody walking to be here. People were walking, they probably like, boy, what the fuck? But yeah, man. I just want to give y'all a quick little POV. I really wasn't expecting to make it to 10 minutes, but we made it to 10 minutes. So that's good enough for me, man. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm finna give y'all one more pull, a light little pull right quick. Oh my gosh, bro. That's on slight, man. On slight word, man. Look at that Vit. Yeah, a little slight word, man. But yeah, man, like I say, man, not the end of my video, man. You gotta go, you're trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. Car crew. But that blue car scared me. I thought that was them boys, man. I thought that was them boys, car crew. I thought that was them boys. But no, yeah, man, like I was saying, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Chase your dreams, stay motivated, you know what I'm saying? Don't give up, keep pushing. Just don't stop, bro. Like, I know it's easier said than done, but just don't stop, bro. Just keep being creative, keep that drive, keep that motivation. Always find something that's gonna always make you want to stay hungry, you know what I'm saying? Every time. And for all my religious folk, man, like I say, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Pray to him every day, talk to him, spend time with him, tell him thank you, man, and bless the things that you're trying to do in life. Tell him to bless your plan, man. Ask him to bless your plan. Put it in his will, you know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, car crew, man. Also, man, like I also said in all the end of my videos, I'm out of here. Like yesterday. Peace.